This is French Polynesia. If you Polynesian but ain't from, been or heard of French Polynesia, then, eh? Oh, yeah, props have, eh? Oh, you know about Tahiti, eh? Oh, yeah, cool. Ah, but have you heard of the Marquesas, though? No? Yeah? Well, these are the beautiful Marquesas Islands, a.k.a. Te Henua e Nana, a.k.a. the land of men. It's kind of close to Tahiti and all those islands around there. Those ones, that dot. Yep, choice. Lumped in with the rest of the French polys. No, not the police, the which means they have awesome food. Yum. You probably didn't even realise how closely related we were. It's buzzy as the kinds of unexplored Polynesia out there just waiting for us. This is Waipo, one of the 12 islands of the Marquesas. Apparently, this place was settled by the Samoans. According to Uncle Wiki, he reckons they only just cruised up from Samoa about 1,000-something years ago, just before the Samoan poly ancestors rode out and conquered the world. Nah, jokes. Thank you, Matt. You know we all whānau.
From different islands, Fatuhiva, Tahuata, Hivaoa, Nukuhiva, Uahuka, and here.
Yep, that's right. Obviously, there's a hard-out French connection throughout French Poly.
Bonjour.
But our Marquesas brothers and sisters still out there staying woke with the culture. They got their signature haka down. See? Just like we do. Told you we're related. This is the Haka Manu.
The Haka Manu is a special of Marquesas Island. The sixth island dance this the Haka Manu. Birds dance the Haka Manu.
E haka hahe ia na te tauto'otu I vai ia e te ati o te papatiketike.
I am Ben and I am a teacher of the Marquesas traditional custom. The Haka Manu is a special Marquesas dance. The dance imitation different birds, seabirds. The birds go to show where is the fish, and the Marquesan people follow them to fishing. Where is the fish in the ocean? The best girl and the best woman, when she dance, you know, oh, you can identify the birds because she dance very, very well. She imitates the birds exactly, you know? Oh, this bird is a nondi, is a stag, white stag and black stag. Every island we dance is a community dance of the Marquesans. Ka hatu nei ben ia kotou pautu to tenua Maori to tenua Patitifa Pacific pautu kotou pautu ka oha nui a pai.